Welcome to this short daily yoga flow to help you stay consistent with your yoga practice. Remember, it doesn't have to be long to be effective. Just a few minutes each day can really make a big difference because consistency always beats intensity. Let's begin. Find a comfortable cross-legged position. If it's not so comfy for you to sit on the floor, you could try elevating your hips, sitting a little higher up on a pillow or on a bolster, on a block, and that should bring more comfort and ease to this shape. And once you're ready, as you inhale, reach the shoulders up to the ears, and then exhale, roll them back and down. Again, inhale up, and exhale, back and down. A few more times. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. And then with the next inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. As you exhale, turn to the right. Left hand on the knee, right hand behind your back, and then gaze back over the right shoulder. Inhale, return back to the center. And exhale, turn to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. One more round. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right, and this time stay here. You could keep the right fingertips behind you. You could try to catch the left thigh behind your back, holding here for a moment longer. And then release the right hand. As you inhale, extend the right arm up, and then exhale, lean to the left, in the direction of your left knee, more or less. Trying to turn the torso to face towards the ceiling. And then inhale, come back through the center, reaching both arms up. And then exhale, switch. Turn to the left, left hand behind you, or search for your right thigh. And then release the left hand. Inhale, extend the left arm up, and then exhale, lean to the right. Again, trying to turn the torso a tiny bit more towards the ceiling. And then inhale, come all the way up, reaching the arms up, elongating the whole body. And then exhale, release, and come to all fours position on your hands and knees. In all fours position, step your right foot out to the side. And then as you inhale, extend the right arm up. And exhale, right hand behind your head. Inhale, reach the elbow up to the ceiling or even a little bit back behind you. And then exhale, fold, reaching the elbow towards your left wrist or towards your forearm. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Twice more. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach up. Extend the right arm up. And then exhale, release, returning back to the center. Then switch. Step the left foot out to the side. Inhale, extend the left arm up. As you exhale, reach the hand behind your head. Inhale. Lean back a little bit more, pointing the elbow back behind you. And then exhale, elbow to your forearm or to your right wrist. Inhale, reach. And exhale, fold. Inhale, up. And exhale, fold. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach all the way up, extending the arm to the sky. And then exhale, release to all fours position. And then from all fours, tuck your toes under and slowly transition into downward facing dog. Once you're in downward facing, give yourself a moment to walk your feet, bending the right, the left knee. Again, here you can find a rhythm that works for you. You can go a little bit faster or a little slower. And then from downward facing dog, as you inhale, extend the right leg back behind you. And then exhale, step the right foot to the outside of your right hand. Inhale, extend it all the way back to three-legged dog. And then exhale, step it forward to the outside of your right hand. Again, inhale, reach back. And exhale, step it forwards. And then last time, inhale, reach back. And exhale, step it forward. And this time, hold it here. Lower the left knee down to the floor. Right hand comes on the top of your right thigh. And then press away from your thigh to turn the torso to the right. Then gaze back over the right shoulder. And you could keep your left toes tucked under, or you could point the toes as you prefer. And then release, right hand returns back to the floor. Tuck the left toes under. Inhale, extend the right leg to three-legged dog. And then exhale, bring the right knee to the chest in plank position. And then lower the knee in between your hands. Lowering the hips down, adjust the pose if needed. And then inhale, press away with the fingertips, lifting the heart up. And hold. And then release, lean a little bit to the right, so weight into the right hand so that you can swing the left leg forward and step the left foot to the outside of your right knee. And right arm wraps around the leg, left fingertips behind you as you turn to the left and gaze over the left shoulder. Then inhale, come back to the center. Again, lean a little bit to the right. Swing the leg all the way back. Push the floor away from you to lift and step back to plank position. Inhale here in plank position. And as you exhale, lower the knees down with control. Bend the elbows and lower yourself to the ground. Point the toes. Inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra. And then exhale through all fours, come into downward facing dog. And then from downward facing, as you inhale, extend the left leg back. And exhale, step it forward to the outside of your left hand. Inhale, reach it all the way back. And exhale, step it forward. Inhale, reach it back. And exhale, step it forward. Then one last time, inhale, reach it back. Then exhale, step it forward and stay, lowering the right knee to the floor. Then left hand comes to your left thigh, press away, and then turn to gaze back over the left shoulder. And then release, bring the left hand back to the floor, pick it up. As you inhale, extend the left leg all the way back to three-legged dog. And then exhale, come forward to plank position, squeezing the knee to the chest, and then lower the knee in between your hands. Settle the hips down onto the mat. Push away with your fingertips, lifting the chest up, and breathe. And then lean a little bit to your left, weight into the left hand, swing the right foot forward, stepping it to the outside of your left knee, left arm wraps around, and then turn to the right and gaze back over the right shoulder. And then inhale, come back to the center, release, leaning again a little to the left, swing that leg back, hands to the floor, push away, picking it up, and step back into plank position. Inhale here, and then exhale, knees down, and then lower down with control. Inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra, and then exhale into downward facing dog. One breath here. And then inhale, come forward to plank position. And then with control, knees down and lower all the way down. Then send the arms back alongside your body. Bring the big toes together. And then inhale, lift the legs and lift the chest off the mat. And breathe. One more. And exhale, release, bring the hands beside the rib cage as you inhale. Come to all fours position and spread the knees a little bit wider, bring the big toes together and then allow the hips to lower towards your heels. Stretch the hands, the arms forward, hands to the top of the mat, and then lower the forehead down into child's position. And then inhale, slowly start returning back to sitting. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me, for continuing to build your yoga habit. I hope these short classes are helpful. Please do let me know down in the comments, and I can't wait to see you in another class.